Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Andrew and Nicole. Happy New Year to everybody. This is 2021, and if you're looking to upgrade your productivity and your computer, check out these peripherals, and as we will unbox the Logitech MX Keys keyboard and the MX Master 3 mouse. So stay tuned until the end of the video. So here's the box of the MX Keys that we're gonna take a look at before we open the keyboard in itself. So this came with the outer box. So MX Key, the Master Series by Logitech. Okay, just to give you a nice, on the other side. You can feel free to pause the video to read everything. Alright, so this is the box in itself. It came with another enclosure to protect the keyboard, nothing special. So let's open it up. Okay, so this is the keyboard in itself. It's a little bit heavy and very sturdy, so we'll open that later. And let's take a look at the other contents of the box. So we have this one on Bluetooth connectivity. You can either connect it via Bluetooth or the USB unifying dongle. Okay, this can work both in Windows and Mac operating system. Okay, it can connect up to 3 devices at once. Not all at once, but you can choose which devices that you can connect to. And this is the USB dongle. Okay, so let me just remove it to show you. So this is the USB-C. Okay, so if you have other Logitech unifying device, that USB dongle can also work with this one. So it saves you plugging many USB dongles. So let's take a look at what's inside here. So you also have the USB cable. Okay, so you have the USB-C, Type A and Type C. Or of course the USB dongle, the instruction manual, or the safety and other reading materials. Nothing much here. So it's in Chinese. So I think these are the warranty documents. Okay, so let's take it out and let's see what else is in this box. So no more. So now let's take a look at the keyboard. Keyboard, I really like Logitech products because they are usually good quality peripherals. Okay, there you go. And this is a card. This pairs well with MX Master 3 mouse. Okay, so yeah. So there you have it. This is the keyboard in its own. The typing sound is this. I don't know if you can hear it. It is colored gray. Okay, it has a complete keys. So you can select 1, 2, 3, which devices are you going to choose. So you can program, let's say, Windows computer here, Mac OS here, and maybe an iPhone. You can connect it with your Android or iPhone as well. So this connects to all the devices via Bluetooth or the USB dongle. Okay, so at the back, just a plain black. Maybe you can read out the text. MX Keys. Okay, And here is the on and off switch and the USB-C. Now I like the USB-C now because as I mentioned before, we are already moving towards USB-C. It's a little heavy, it's sturdy, so it will be on your desk like this, and it will be very, very comfortable when you type in. Okay, so you feels very premium. This one costs about 6,000 to 7,000 pesos. Okay, so there you go. And as I mentioned, it pairs well with the MX Master 3 mice. So let's also unbox this one and show you what's inside. So it's very simple. You have the mouse, MX Master 3. Okay, this is how you do it. You can pair also up to 3 devices via Bluetooth and using the USB receiver. This also has its own USB receiver from the box. Okay, so as I mentioned, you can just use one and it will connect and pair to everything. Okay, this also came with some reading materials here, and of course the USB, also Type-C and Type-A at the other end. So you can plug it here to charge your mouse. Okay, now let's take a look at the mouse itself. It has multiple buttons, the left click and right click. This is the button to toggle between the fast scrolling or the ordinary scrolling. So if you scroll it, you can actually scroll 1,000 words or 1,000 lines of text. Now you also have here a thumb scroll, okay, for scrolling down your documents, or scrolling left and right rather. And this is the forward and the back keys. All of these are programmable depending on the application, depending on the program that you're running. Let's say for Microsoft Office, you can use this as copy paste. Or if you're using Google Chrome, this is for back and forward while you're browsing. Okay, let's remove the sticker. So this is also can switch to 3 different devices, as I mentioned, similar to the MX Keys. So you can switch to 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so let's remove the sticker and take a look at what's below. So this is the on and off button. Okay, you can turn on. So you see the blinking lights. Okay, so it's trying to find a pairing, but right now we're not pairing anything. So you can choose which device that you want to connect to. Okay. Overall, the quality of the MX product. Oh, by the way, this one, there's also a thumb click here. So you can press here to be able to program it to another. Yeah, if you can see here, you can click here. You can click using your thumb. You can click here and program it to the app that you want to. So this one came with a 4,000 dots per inch. So it can work on any surfaces, even glass. So if you're on the road and you can't find a mouse pad, you can just connect this and use your mouse in any surface that you can find. All right. So the quality is very premium. It is ergonomic. So my hand is fairly big, so it encompasses my palm. And whenever I use my mouse, it has a support on my palm, so you will not grow tired easily. Okay. So overall, this pairs well with the MX Master 3. So this keyboard, okay, pairs well with this one, same color. So this works again with all operating systems such as Windows and Mac. So overall, this is just an overview and unboxing of this MX Keys and MX 3. I had the MX Master 2S, the one before this one, and when that breaks, I'll be buying another one, most likely this one. Now, a huge shout out to my friend Jason Tan, for lending me his Logitech MX Keys. He recently bought it in a sale in Lazada. So I'll put all the links down below so that you will be able to buy your own. And I think this will last him for a long time. So I had one like this one. So it's been with me for the last 2 to 3 years already. So I've been an avid user of Logitech, and I hope you find this interesting. So this mouse costs around $99 or around 5,000, 6,000 pesos. And this one is about 6,000 to 7,000 pesos. But I assure you, this keyboard will last you a long time. Okay, that's it. So again, Happy New Year to everybody. And I hope you were able to learn something and find this video useful. So thank you very much for supporting our channel. We're looking forward to 2021 for more videos and bloggings on tech, food, and whatever we came across. So thank you very much for the support. Please give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and give us your love for 2021. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.